Cat Captain Kurt, Barbie doll. Well, that's wild. Star Trek. Star Trek. 2 o'clock. They got a lot of nice stuff here. Yeah, you got a lot of nice stuff. Samurai store.
Do you see him?
Same stuff, but a little different, you know. They don't have watches that they used to have. Maybe over here. They got lighters. Made in the USA. They're great lighters. Zippo lighters. Collectible. They got knives. Zippo lighters. Oh, here you go. Here's some nice. I don't know if that's a leather. I don't think that's a Leatherman, but that's nice. That is nice. I gotta check that out. I got an older Gerber. Wow. An older Gerber. I can see that. And I got a couple of watches. Yeah, I got some collectible watches too. Hitting the jackpot here. Oh wow, they got a lot of watches here. They got a Casio here too. Wow. Check that out. Check that out. I don't know what it is. It looks like a Casio. Met watch. Some other. They got some nice watches here. They got the Remington. Yeah, they got some nice stuff. You gotta look around. You gotta look around here. Street of shops coming at you. Got some other watches. Yeah, they got some nice watches here. Oh man. Peace out, everybody. I'd like to check out these watches. I can't remember the watch that I was looking for. It was with a shoe company. Anyway, peace out, everybody. Peace out, everybody. Check out these watches at the Street of Shops. They got some nice knives here too. Peace out, everybody. Peace out.